Alrighty guys, so there's one important thing that I forgot to mention about using the strikers for the Bunsen burner, so let me go over it with you now. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to just go back and forth like this, because then you're not going to get a spark. Instead, what you're going to want to do is you're probably going to want to use two hands, and you see the stick right here that has this golden tip on it, or this kind of this striking end on it. It's the one that comes up and down. You're going to want to push that in towards the inside of the bowl of the Bunsen burner. Or the striker. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push that stick in. You see how my thumb right here is pushing it in, and then what you're gonna want to do is strike, and that's what's gonna allow you to get that spark. If you're just moving it back and forth like this, you're not going to get a spark. You're actually just damaging the tool, so you don't want to do that. Instead, you're gonna use two hands. One hand to push in, and then you're gonna push it across, and that's what's gonna get you the spark. And so if you wanted to do it upside down, just like how we do it over the Bunsen burner, again, you're going to be pushing in towards this bowl, inside of the bowl, and then you're going to push it across, and that's what's going to give you the spark. So again, the key thing to using these strikers is you want to be pushing the stick in towards the inside of the striker, and that's what's going to allow you to get that spark, okay? Just like that.